In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite your friends in this game called Misery. So basically, press multiplayer, press host server, new game, put in your server name, the max amount of players, which is 5, and then you're going to put in a server code, okay? Just put it like ABC. Alright? And then you could use LAN if you want, if you have people at your house playing on the same Wi-Fi and stuff. But other than that, just press create server. As you see, now I'm kind of laggy. What the hell? Alright, I'm in the game. You can press shift tab, friends, and then right click on it and press invite the game like this. Right click on their name. And yeah, this will see it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.